Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Iceman and Bob, Tech and Gaming. What we're going to take a look at in this particular video is a comparison on the Sony A95L between prior to the most latest firmware update, which may be February on your particular television set. It may have gotten pushed in March, and it may even have been pushed this month in April of 2025. Nonetheless, this is the latest firmware, and what I generally like to do is show you a comparison with how everything looks on your television prior to updating as well as after updating to see if there are any changes in terms of the visual impact and settings that you may have. Now, from what I've seen with this update, which you can take a look at right here, you're going to notice that there are some bug fixes and just overall efficiency improvements. So we're going to get into this. From what I've seen, I haven't really noticed anything significant. It appears to be pretty much the same. Generally, Sony updates are safe. It's something that you don't have to generally be concerned with, but I still like to document this and let me be the test subject or the test dummy, as you may have it, so that you all know whether you want to update or not update. Some of the issues that were addressed in this particular update, I haven't personally experienced. Maybe you have. If you have, please let me know in the comment section. But from what I can see, everything went smooth. There was no issues. The update took maybe, let's say, 15 minutes total to download, and the installation is always quick. Once it downloads in terms of the firmware updates, you're looking at 5 to 10 minutes tops, and when you turn your TV back on, boom, it's done. I didn't notice any delays, any stuttering, any slowness once I turned it back on. So again, the efficiency of the updates in terms of Sony has definitely improved. With that being said, I hope to talk to you in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I'm going to go ahead and let you continue to watch the rest of this particular video, and I look forward to speaking to you in future videos. I'm also going to have some updates in terms of I need to get Samsung out. There's been firmware updates on that as well, so hopefully you'll get to see that pretty soon. And then also have some other content that I'm doing on this channel. Again, this is Iceman and Bob Tech and Gaming, so you're going to see some different types of tech besides just TVs. Even though that's what I'm known for, you're going to also see some games as well. So with that being said, please enjoy the content. I'll talk to you soon. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as I always say, until we stream again.